Hello everyone, here's what's up in San Bernardino for January 30th through February 5th, 2023. Running a little behind on your New Year's resolutions? Join the Literacy Department of the San Bernardino Public Library on Monday to work on creating goals in a way that's less scary. Plus, you'll get a free planner to get started. Find them at the Feldheim Library, 555 West 6th Street in San Bernardino. For more information, call 909-381-8201 or visit sbpl.org. Tuesday is the last day of the 2-week Betty White pet adoption event at the DeVore Animal Shelter, 19777 Shelter Way in San Bernardino. In honor of Betty White and all the wonderful work she did as an animal advocate, they're offering special discounted rates throughout the event. All furry friends adopted from the shelter are spayed, neutered, microchipped, and vaccinated before going home with you. Get the details at 909-386-9820. Wednesday kicks off a new season of children's painting classes at the Lytle Creek Community Center, 380 South K Street in San Bernardino. Classes run weekly on Wednesdays for the entire month of February. For more information, call 909-384-5424. The San Bernardino County Workforce Development Department is holding a job fair Friday morning at the East Valley's America's Job Center, space 508 at the Inland Center Mall, 500 Inland Center Drive in San Bernardino. For more information, visit wp.sbcounty.gov workforce. Friday night is game night every week at the Delman Heights Community Center, 2969 North Flora Street in San Bernardino. There are board games, video games, basketball, soccer, and more. Challenge the kids to a game of giant checkers or a giant Connect 4. Call 909-880-1362 for more information. Saturday night, they're getting super freaky at the California Theater for Performing Arts, 562 West 4th Street in San Bernardino. It's the 75th birthday bash for Rick James, the original master of punk funk. Come celebrate with Rick James' Stone City Band and a wide variety of artists and DJs. Call 513-225-8187 for more information. It's time for the weekly meeting of the Sunday Brunchaholics, and what better place to meet than I Love Chicken and Waffles, 1170 East Highland Avenue in San Bernardino. There's even live music starting at 2 p.m. Call them at 909-352-2705 for all the details. And that's what's up in San Bernardino for January 30th through February 5th, 2023. If you have an event that you'd like us to highlight here, send an email to events@videop.com. And we'll see you next time, and we'll let you know what's up San Bernardino.